Good afternoon, fighters. So, today is 17th of July, and let's start with a quote. So, a quote from Swami Vivekanand: युद्ध हो या जीवन, सफलता केवल तीन चीज़ों से ही प्राप्त होती है: धर्म, धैर्य और साहस। सो धर्म, धैर्य और साहस को हमेशा मजबूती से बनाए रखें, सफलता आपको ज़रूर मिलेगी। नाउ स्टार्ट विथ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. So, question number 1 is: World International Justice Day is celebrated on which date? So, the World International Justice Day is celebrated on 16th July. If we see what was the where is International Court of Justice? So, International Court of Justice in Geneva. Now, ICAR, Indian Council Agriculture Research Foundation Day is celebrated on which day? So this is celebrated on 16th July. And the foundation year of Indian Council of Agriculture Research was 1929. Now I will come to question number 2. Who is appointed as Judge of Supreme Court? So there is two appointment. First, Koteswar Singh and R. Madhav, and Koteswar Singh is Jammu and Kashmir Chief Justice. Now question number 3. CEO of Climate Leader. CEO of Climate Leader is Sumant Sinha. Question number 4. Narendra Modi inaugurated largest tunnel in which state? So the largest tunnel inauguration done in Maharashtra, Thane Borivali Trevin Tunnel is, and this scheme is, or this project worth 16,000 crore rupees. Question number 5. Where 11 lakh trees planted in 24 hours in India and make history? So this is a world record, and this is happen in Indore. So the answer will be Indore. Question number 6. Where is Harela festival celebrated? So the Harela festival is celebrated in Uttarakhand, and this festival is celebrated before the coming of Sawan season. Question number 7. One scientist, one product started by which ministry? So this is started by Agriculture Ministry, and the Minister of Agriculture is Shivraj Singh Chauhan. And this is one scientist, one product is started due to the foundation day of ICAR on 16 July 1929. Question number 8. 48th Copa America Championship won by which country? So the 48th Copa American Championship is won by Argentina, and this was 48th edition, and 16 teams participated in 48th Copa America. The question number 9. MPX Navy exercise between which country? So MPX Navy exercise is between India and America in Arab Ocean. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. हमारा संविधान हमारा सम्मान का अभियान का दूसरा केंद्रीय कार्यक्रम कहाँ हुआ था? सो हमारा संविधान हमारा सम्मान अभियान का दूसरा क्षेत्रीय कार्यक्रम प्रयागराज यूपी में हुआ, जो कि उत्तर प्रदेश में है. नाउ देयर इज़ वन आर्टिकल फ्रॉम द हिंदू, एंड दिस इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट बिकॉज नाउ डेज इट्स इन न्यूज़. सो व्हाट इज़ मनी बिल? सो इफ I will tell you in simple way, a bill dealing with only with financial matter is or specified as Article 1101. So this is a bill dealing in the matter of financial, and this is written in Article 110. Now if we see what covers in money bill, so it's cover taxes, government borrowing, fund allocation, consolidated and contingency fund, expenditure, public money and account, and incidental matter. So this is the cover area of money bill. Now if we see the key feature, so in money bill, speaker decision will be final. If any dispute arises about a bill being a money bill, the Speaker of Lok Sabha decision is final. Second one is introduction. So if we see, this will only introduce in Lok Sabha. on the recommendation of president by a minister. 3 pointer, Rajya Sabha limited role. If we see in money bill, the role of Rajya Sabha is very limited. If as due to they cannot amend or reject the money bill, only they can make suggestion or recommendation, that is not mandatory for Lok Sabha to accept it. And now pointer 4, passing the bill, simple majority required in Lok Sabha. Raj Sabha has 14 days to return the bill with or without recommendation. If the recommendation is given by Raj Sabha, it's all depend upon Lok Sabha to accept it or reject it. Now, if not returns in 14 days, bill will be automatically passed in Lok Sabha. 5. President role. If we see the role of president in money bill, so their assent or withhold assent but cannot return the bill from reconsideration. So we can see that the president role is also limited here. The main role of deputy the speaker of Lok Sabha. Now if we see the misuse of money bill, we can see that bills like PMLA amendment and Finance Act 2000 raise concern about misuse of money bill. Like we can see that there is a lots of misuses of money bills by leaders. Second, this go beyond pure financial matter, impacting other areas. Now the third one, a judicial review might be necessary to ensure check and balance. Check and balance is important as due to if check and balance will be happen in money bill, it will check the expenses or expenditure which is done inside the money bill, that is good or bad, or that is 100% right. So this is all from 17th of July, and in last I have told you about map. So today was not possible to mark all the last given on map, so I will give you later and tomorrow. Revise it and read it and write it. Thank you so much. Have a good day.